Throughout life people will make you mad, disrespect you and treat you bad. Let God deal with the things they do, 'cause hate in your heart will consume you too. Never lie, steal, cheat, or drink. But if you must lie, lie in the arms of the one you love. If you must steal, steal away from bad company. If you must cheat, cheat death. And if you must drink, drink in the moments that take here. We spend money that we do not have, on things we do not need, to impress people who do not care. Fear is not real. It is a product of thoughts you create. Do not misunderstand me. Danger is very real, but fear is a choice. Don't chase people. Be yourself, do your own thing and work hard. The right people, the ones who really belong in your life, will come to you and stay. Stop letting people who do so little for you control so much of your mind, feelings and emotions. If you're not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your time. Your life will become better by making other lives better. Never underestimate the pain of a person, because in all honesty, everyone is struggling. Some people are just better at hiding it than others. There's no reason to have a plan B, because it distracts from plan A. Being realistic is the most common path to mediocrity. Please subscribe our channel to hear quotes of famous people. Please like, comment and share before leaving.